Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and sign up for your tagged account. For this, first of all, go to your app store in order to download the app. As your app store loads, on the lower right side you will see the search button. Tap on it, and then on the search bar type in tagged. As you type and search for the app, an app will pop up. Simply tap on Get in order to download the app. After the app gets downloaded, simply tap on Open. Now wait for the app to open. Now after your app opens, here you will see that you have two options, that is either to continue with your email or to continue with your Facebook. So you can simply tap on continue with any in order to sign up for your tagged account. Here I'm going to tap on continue with email. After tapping on that, you'll receive an option whether you're wanting to sign up or log in. Here, first of all, I'll have to sign up, so I'm going to tap on sign up with email. After tapping on that, you have to simply type in your name. So here, I'm typing my name and then type in your email. After typing that, you'll have to now create a password for your tagged account. So type in a password that is strong enough. Here, I'm going to type in a password. After typing in the password, tap on sign up. Now you have to allow tag to use your location, so tap on allow. Now after tapping on allow, you have to simply fill in the necessary details. Here your country is already mentioned. You can mention your city, tap in gender and then just stick the gender. Tap on your birthday. So here I'm just gonna type in my birthday and then your ethnicity. Fill in all the necessary details. After that, tap on last step. Now I'll be directed towards the last step that I'm needed to do in order to sign up for the tagged account. So I'd simply like tag to send me notifications, so I'll tap on allow. Now here I'll have to upload a photo in order to receive more attention. So I'm just gonna pick a random photo from my gallery. I'm allowing tag to access to my photos. And here I'm just gonna tap in a photo and then tap on select. And then tap on finish once you're done uploading. You'll have to verify your email address. So for this, what you have to do is you have to go to your Gmail account in order to verify. So here I'm going to my email. So here, as I can see, tagged has already sent me an email. So here I'm just going to tap on the email and then tap on confirm. Here, in order to find your right matches, tagged will also want to know what your sexual orientation is. So you can simply select a sexual orientation and then tap on save, or you can skip this process by tapping on the top right corner that says skip. And here, as you can see, I have been signed up for my tagged account. So this is how you download and sign up for your tagged account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.